This video is brought to you by UGREEN. Raise your hand if you're a photographer or videographer who knows they should probably be backing up their photos and videos, but never have. That was me until about a year ago. I hate to admit it, but for probably the first 7 or 8 years of being a photographer and YouTuber, I never backed up any of my work. And it is probably the biggest regret of my photography career. I lost a lot of important memories, including photos I took on my very first trip to New York City. Same with pretty much all of the video files from my first year of doing YouTube. They are gone forever. They are lost somewhere on a hard drive that I misplaced while moving, one of the many times that I have in the past couple years. And none of that would have been an issue if I had just backed up my hard drives. Now, I know I could have always just backed them up to the cloud, whether that be iCloud or Google Drive or Dropbox. But I don't know about you, but I feel like I have enough subscriptions. But what if I told you the third and final option is kind of the best of both worlds? Your own private system that allows you to store your files locally and on the cloud so that you can access them anywhere you go. So that you or anyone that you are working with can easily and quickly access the files without the need for Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. I didn't even know this was an affordable, realistic option until the past year. This is the UGREEN NAS DH2300. NAS meaning Network Attached Storage, which means once you back up your files to the NAS, they sync to the cloud and you have access to them everywhere that Wi-Fi or a wireless hotspot is available. The best part is no monthly subscription. This would have been extremely useful for me recently when I wanted to post some photos on Instagram, but I wasn't able to because I did not realize that I never put the photos on my phone. Now, if I had had the UGREEN NAS, and then once you have it set up, you can download the app onto your phone and you can easily access all of your files from anywhere on your phone, your iPad, or your laptop. I would have been able to quickly download the photos that I wanted to post on Instagram without a problem. The UGREEN DH2300 is available for only $167.99 when you use the discount code for 20% off. Now keep in mind that you will have to buy the actual hard drives yourself, so the storage space and the price is at your discretion. Now I'm extremely excited to start using this because that means when I'm out traveling, I'll be able to quickly and easily back up all of my photos that I'm taking without having to carry a bunch of extra hard drives with me. So when I'm back at the hotel or Airbnb I might be staying at, and I import the photos to my external hard drive, I can then back it up to the cloud directly to the UGREEN NAS, which is conveniently back at my apartment. Now before I show you guys just how simple and easy the setup process is, I want to tell you some more about the core features. It features 2 hard drive bays, which means you can have up to 60 terabytes of storage. I think throughout my entire career as a photographer and YouTuber, I've shot collectively maybe about 25 terabytes of photos and videos. So 60 terabytes would probably be enough to last me at least like 20 years. Now I highly suggest setting up your second drive to mirror your first, that way you have a backup of your backup. And if you have multiple people that need to access the DH2300, it's super easy to set up through your access permissions. So if you're working with a team or an offsite editor, everyone has quick and easy access to all of the files that they need. And managing and finding specific photos is incredibly easy with the AI album assistant. Let's say you wanted to find all of the photos of your family, whether that's your wife or your husband, your children, your grandparents, your parents, or especially your pets. It's made incredibly simple by organizing and classifying each person, pet, or even places into separate albums. Transferring and backing up data can take a long time, but over a local network like the UGREEN NAS DH2300, it's such a breeze compared to uploading everything to iCloud or Dropbox. Now let me just walk you guys directly through how easy it is to set this up. Alright, let's dive into the setup process for the UGREEN DH2300. Now, once you pull it out of the box, the first thing you're going to need to do is install your hard drives. Now, UGREEN does include a screwdriver and screws for your hard drives, but the hard drives I purchased, which are Western Digital hard drives, they included screws already, so I just used those. So now just set up your NAS wherever you plan on storing it. Now you do have to have it directly connected to a router to be able to use it, so keep that in mind wherever you decide to place it. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and turn it on. Then just tap your phone on the front of the NAS and it will take you directly to where you can download the app for UGREEN and start the setup process. Now I'm not going to show you guys this entire process because it does contain some private information that I don't really want to share with you guys, but I think you'll understand. Now once you've got through most of the setup process, you get to where you actually configure the hard drives. Now as I mentioned earlier, I would highly recommend setting them up to mirror each other so you have a backup of your backup. But I only have two 4TB drives, so I'm just going to use both at this time, so that way I have about a little over 7 TB of storage space on here. And once you've done that, you can start importing all of your files. Now, one thing I would also highly recommend, but you don't have to do immediately, is having backups of your backups. Now, I'm not talking about the mirrored drive on the UGREEN NAS. I would recommend also having an additional NAS stored somewhere else. So if I were to have one here at my apartment and then another one at my parents' house. So that way, if something happened here and my apartment was destroyed, whether that's a fire, hopefully not, I would still have all of my files backed up and safe. I would be really sad if I lost all of my Lightroom presets. I guess I would just have to buy my own Lightroom presets from my own website. Shameless plug. I know it all comes across as an advertisement in marketing, but I think backups and storage is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of what we do as photographers and filmmakers. It's very easy to take it all for granted and assume the worst will never happen to us. Whether that's a SD card or having a hard drive fail. Whether that's happened to you or not, you know if it did, you would never make that mistake again of not backing up all of your photos and your videos onto extra hard drives. So why not correct that mistake before it actually happens? If you know me, I'm a huge supporter of simplifying the process so that we have more time to focus on doing what we want to do. And thanks to the UGREEN NAS DH2300, it makes the process super simple and super easy. And I highly recommend everyone watching my videos look into buying something like this. Whether it's the DH2300 or another one, UGREEN has so many options available that will suit all of your needs. So if you're interested in this one or maybe another one that UGREEN has, click the link in the description for 20% off. And I know Black Friday is right around the corner in November, but UGREEN has confirmed with me that this 20% discount is the same discount that's going to be offered on Black Friday. So why wait? So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions about this. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. In the meantime, thank you for watching the video. It's videos like this one that allow me to continue doing what I do for a living, and I love it. So thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to help support the channel, and I hope I could inspire you guys to get out and take more photos and back up your photos. Go out and shoot.